John Wayne, us good old boys, we're all the same. With a big hell yeah and a whole lot of American pride. Just a little on the redneck side.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Redneck Bros. I don't know if you guys remember, last weekend, well you should remember, but last weekend Hayden was down here. We did some stuff. We took a pressure washer mower, or pressure washer engine off of the stand and put it onto the lawnmower. So here's the stand, and I'm going to make it into my welding stand. And I'm pretty much gonna put 2 hooks on the sides for the wires, and then mount it to that. But first, before I do that, I'm going to take the wire wheel and wire all this red off, this red paint. I'm gonna spray it. I think a nice black I'm gonna go with. So I'm gonna go ahead and disassemble it. I'll leave the wheels on for right now, but as far as this stuff up here, I'll disassemble that and see where it goes from there. So let's do that. Well, shoot. That's one way to get it off. Okay, we got that part done. That was a pain. So, I figure it's gonna take me quite a while to do all of it. But, came out nice. That's the main part of it. The bars are pretty easy. I mean, I got this side done while I was at it, so I think I'll keep going for a little longer. Actually, I'll give the grinder a break, so I'll be back in a few minutes.